In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tasks and reminders in Google Calendar. Whether you're managing personal projects or work tasks, knowing how to leverage these tools can help you stay organized and on top of your schedule. Google Calendar makes it convenient, and today, I'll walk you through setting it all up. Let's get started by opening Google Calendar. Head over to your web browser and type in calendar.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to access your calendar. Once you've signed in, you'll see your calendar display, where we'll begin organizing our tasks and reminders. First, locate the Create button, which you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. This button is your gateway to adding various entries into your calendar, be it events, reminders, or tasks. Go ahead and click on that button. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Task. Tasks are a fantastic feature for noting down things you need to accomplish without scheduling them as timed events. Now that you've chosen the task option, it's time to add the particulars. Give your task a title. Think of this as providing it a name that you'll easily recognize later. After that, you can enter any details that might help you complete the task without forgetting important nuances. You'll also have the chance to select a date and time so you know exactly when you'd like to work on this task. If everything looks good, don't forget to click Save. Once saved, you'll notice your task appear in your calendar with a handy checkmark icon next to it. Next, I'll show you how to add a reminder, which is slightly different